Good day everyone. I am Genevieve Pelayo and today we are going to tackle about transaction system and MIS. So before we dive in, let us know what MIS is. So what is MIS? It is a management information system that collects, processes, stores, and presents data to help managers make decisions, plan, and control business operations. For example, a store uses MIS to track daily sales. It records each sale and shows a report at the end of the day. The manager uses this report to decide what to restock or promote. What is a transaction system? It is a component of MIS that handles day-to-day business transactions such as sales, payments, orders, and inventory updates. It records, processes, and stores transaction data accurately and efficiently. For instance, a transaction system records daily business activities like sales, payments, and orders. It keeps everything updated and accurate for smooth operations. So why is it important? First, it ensures accurate and timely recording of business activities. Second, it supports MIS by providing the raw data needed for reports and decisions. And lastly, it improves efficiency, reduces errors, and helps monitor operations in real time. So here are the key functions: recording, processing, and storing. Recording captures each transaction as it happens, for example, a sale at the cashier. Processing validates and updates data, for example, updating inventory after a sale. Storing saves transaction data securely for future use in reports or audits. So there are 12 features of transaction system. First, rapid processing. It processes high volumes of transactions efficiently and quickly. Reliability ensures consistent system availability and minimal failure. Accuracy. It captures and processes data with precision to prevent errors. Data integrity. It maintains consistency and correctness of transactional data. Security and privacy. It protects sensitive data from unauthorized access and breaches. Standardization. It follows set rules and procedures for consistent transaction handling. Scalability. It can handle increased loads as the business grows. Concurrency. It supports multiple users performing transactions at the same time. Audit trail. It keeps detailed logs for monitoring and verification. Error detection and correction. It identifies and handles errors automatically during processing. Real-time and batch processing. It supports immediate, real-time, and scheduled batch processing modes. And lastly, durability. Completed transactions remain permanent even after failures. So this is the transaction system process in MIS. Data entry or data capture. It collects raw transaction data. Data validation. Check for accuracy and completeness. Transaction processing. It applies rules and procedures. There are two types of process in this transaction processing. It is batch processing, which processes many transactions at once, and real-time processing, where immediate processing of each transaction. Data storage. It stores transaction records in databases for future retrieval and reporting. Document and report generation. It generates receipts, invoices, reports, and summaries. Query and retrieval. allow user to access transaction history or summary data. Lastly, update of master files or databases. It reflects transaction effects on inventory, customers' accounts, and etc. So here are the examples of transaction system in real life. So first is point of sale or POS system. You can find it at the SM supermarket. They use this system to check out. POS function is it processes sales, updates inventory, and prints receipts. Second is automated teller machine or ATM. It is a BDO or Lang Bank ATMs that you see in the mall where you withdraw money. It processes withdrawals, deposits, and balance inquiries in real time. Third, online booking system. It is a website where you book a flight or reservation, may it be Cebu Pacific or Airbnb. So it processes reservations, confirms payments, and updates availability. Lastly, payroll system. It is a system where it calculates overall employee pay. Company HR systems like Sprout or QuickBooks Payroll. Functions are it calculates salaries, taxes, and generates payslips. And that's it for my discussion. Thank you everyone for listening and have a good day.